Hello everyone, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, and welcome. In this video, we are going to share a powerful story of how data transformed a struggling hotel business. This isn't just about numbers or technology. It's about how even the simplest data, when used wisely, can revive a business, bring back customers, and create real growth. So stay with me as we go step by step, from the problems this hotel faced, to the solutions we built, and finally, the amazing results they achieved. Hi, we are ZenthicAI. We specialize in helping businesses transform their challenges into opportunities by leveraging the power of data. Over the years, we have worked with companies across hospitality, retail, and services, guiding them to make smarter decisions, improve customer experiences, and unlock hidden revenue streams. But today, we want to share with you a very special story. The story of a modest, family-run hotel that was on the verge of shutting down. Their rooms were empty on weekdays, their restaurant tables hardly had visitors, and their brand new party hall was struggling to find bookings. To make matters worse, they didn't even have modern tools. No CRM, no online booking system, not even a proper website. Most people would have written them off, but we saw something different. We saw the potential hidden inside their handwritten logbooks, food bills, and even the feedback notes they had collected from customers. With the right application of data science, even in the simplest form, we managed to revive their business, improve customer loyalty. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire journey, from identifying the problems, to building data-driven solutions, to implementing all the strategies. This is not just a story about data. It's a story about hope, revival, and how even small businesses can flourish when they truly start listening to their data. Let's begin. When our experts first walked into DP Residency, the problems were obvious. Their weekdays were completely dead. The restaurant was empty, tables unoccupied, and the party hall, a brand new investment, had barely any bookings outside of wedding season. Reviews and word of mouth painted an even darker picture. Customers mentioned slow food service, inconsistent taste, and hygiene concerns. To the locals, the hotel wasn't seen as a place for casual dining. It was simply a venue for special occasions. And perhaps the biggest problem? After guests left, there was no follow-up, no engagement, no system to keep in touch. It was a leaky bucket. Customers kept slipping away. But we knew that even in this chaos, there was hidden gold called data. It didn't matter that they had no CRM or fancy booking system. What they did have was enough to start. We collected everything available: customer check-in records, restaurant bills, party hall bookings, handwritten feedback, food sales and inventory logs, and even small traces of social media mentions where locals had tagged the hotel in Facebook groups. This raw, imperfect data became the foundation for turning things around. The first step was customer segmentation. By analyzing bills, stay durations, and feedback, we grouped customers into 3 categories: local walk-ins, casual diners, and party bookers. This helped us understand who they were serving and what each group valued. Next, we looked at churn risk. Simple statistical models revealed which customers were unlikely to return. Even without advanced AI, basic frequency and recency patterns showed us the warning signs. We also carried out sentiment analysis on their handwritten feedback. Every note was tagged as positive, neutral, or negative, and linked to food quality, room service, or event experience. This gave us clarity on exactly where customers were dissatisfied. Finally, we designed targeted promotions. For example, family dinner nights to attract locals during weekdays, and lunch combo specials to bring in office workers. For the party hall, we suggested weekday corporate events, workshops, etc.
The best reviews.
The best food.
In insights mean nothing without action. So we built a three-part strategy. First, we revamped food service, trained staff, standardized prep, and launched quick lunch menus for office goers. Second, we utilized the party hall by partnering with event planners and small businesses for weekday events. Third, we boosted visibility with a Facebook page and Google Business Profile. These steps turned insights into real, tangible change.
The results spoke for themselves. Restaurant customer repeat rate improved by 40%. Party hall bookings stabilized, with 25% more events, even in off-season months. Average customer spending grew by 18%. Google reviews jumped from 3.2 to 4.1. And most importantly, customer foot traffic started improving organically, without heavy marketing costs. From fearing closure, the owners began planning expansions, including a rooftop dining space and a bigger kitchen to handle future demand. The biggest lesson? You don't need $1 million system to benefit from data science. With simple logs, bills, and feedback, you can uncover patterns, understand customers, and act for real impact. DP Residency proves small businesses can flourish by listening to their data. And this is just one story. Countless businesses are waiting for revival. At ZenthicAI, we help turn decline into growth with the power of data science.